I'm Sandeep Desai, and I'm in the IT industry for past little over 3 decades. During this journey, I've seen many verticals, namely infrastructure, retail, insurance, automotive, and so on. Currently, I'm working in the capacity of Executive Vice President, looking after Information and Process Group of Afcons Infrastructure Limited, which is a part of 150 years old Shapurji Palanji group company. I started my career somewhere in 80s. Although I have been working with various industry verticals for past so many years, the most interesting and the challenging vertical I found is infrastructure industry and typically the construction industry. The reason is the construction industry has no processes. We sat with our leadership team to understand the business goals. Management wish was they would like to have the system which is scalable, robust, and the best in processes. The key performance indicators were accurate estimation, increase in the productivity in terms of resource utilization. The third was budgeting exercise, and the fourth was employee motivational skills. We thought two important aspects from learning and development perspective. One is to have a very robust knowledge management portal, and second is e-learning tool. In Afcons, we found that there are so many areas where there is a scarcity of the skill. And how do we bridge this gap of scarcity of the skills? So we developed e-learning tool in such a way that people can learn the technical skills from anywhere at any time at their own pace. Similarly, developing KM was the biggest challenge for me and my team, because the people who are having such a huge tacit knowledge and they sit at the side, get this knowledge, transfer into the portal and utilize this for the next generation or for the existing people was another biggest hurdle. Prior to year 2011, Afcons was using bespoke development or legacy system for their infrastructure processes. Excel sheets were used. Some other .NET based applications were used to capture the relevant information. It was not a decision support system where the data or information is available on time. So we thought to move to a world-class platform, and we thought SAP is the best partner to have this kind of solution, because SAP is matured in ECO industry. Now, implementing SAP in Afcons, we have seen challenges because processes were not in place. We divided SAP implementation into two phases. Phase 1 was typically addressed the core business modules, namely project systems, finance and accounting, materials, sales and distribution, plant management and equipment tools and machinery. These modules we implemented in Afcons in the year 2010-11, and we went live on 1st April 2011 with about 300 plus users, and we somewhere down the line in about another 6 months time we have implemented ClickView as a dashboard system. 2015 we felt that implementation of HCM was very important because HCM is our real human capital, and to grow exponentially HR platform has to be robust. So phase 2 saw implementation of HR module with core HR, OMPA, ESS, MSS, payroll, learning and development, performance appraisal systems, and a payroll system. This went live in the month of June 2015. Today, SAP with existing KM system is a way of is AFCON's way of working. Besides my professional career, I'm I'm also associated with academics. Academics is my passion. Academics gives me a lot of energy to work in the industry. I've been retained as an external examiner by Mumbai University to examine ME students as well as with some of the management institutions. I am also mentoring students of SNDT in the areas of software project management, software testing, ERP, etc. I read a lot of books, be it technical, be it management, be it from Bollywood as well. And I'm also a writer along with my co-author Mr. Abhishek. We have published 2 books on software testing and ERP to E square RP. E square stands for extended ERP.